Good morning. Grandma Ivy here. Show you my latest creation. It's a honeycomb. It's a hive, a beehive. My hive, in this busy, buzzy world, your presence bring calm, connection, and a touch of sweet sunshine. Like bees building together, you make this hive stronger, warmer, and full of life. Lots of busy bees. Tried my hand making origami bumblebee, but it didn't turn out. So I decided, no, I don't want to keep that on there or put that on there. So I saved tissue paper for wrapping presents or whatever. And I thought, oh, that pattern, that would look cool on the beehive. So I made roses. There's one rose. There's another rose. And this type of flower here out of the paper. This paper here, I made this flower out of this paper. Bought these bees on Amazon. This is a plastic one. And then these wooden ones. And did I show you my bear? My honey bear that I've been keeping around, wondering what I was going to do with it. Guess what? Belongs by the hive. Pooh Bear. So this paper here, I bought at Michael's. It's double-sided. One side has the bees. The other side has the honeycomb. Pretty cool. So I decided to cover the book on one side, honeycomb, and then on the other side, the bees. And I saw this ornament that I got. Thank you for being part of my hive. Another flower I made, rose. Yeah, that's my latest creation. This is my second to my last that I'm going to be doing. Got one more to go. All right, and that's my workplace there and all over the house. All right, have a great day.